Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to add affiliate links to Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to settings, and after that you'll have to simply go to apps and sales channels. Then here you'll have to click on Shopify App Store, and after that you'll have to simply search for affiliate. Click on the first one, and as you can see here you have different options. So what I recommend you to do is to use this one here, which has a free plan available. As you can see, free plan available, 14 days free trial. So click on install, and after that you'll have to simply wait, and then you're gonna get redirected here. Click on install again, and then you'll have to wait. And now we need to set up our affiliate links. So we're gonna have to wait, and then here we'll have to simply register. And here you have to enter your password. So I'm gonna create a new password. Let me confirm my password really fast. And then simply click on register. And then here, as you can see, you have different options. So I'm gonna go with this one here. And how many affiliates do you have? So I'm gonna click on next. And then here you can simply choose your industry, and then click on finish setup, and then click on get started. And then here, as you can see, you have two different options. So as you can see, you have affiliate link or affiliate coupon. So I'm gonna leave it like this. And then here you have commission type. So you have percent of sale, flat rate per item, or flat rate per order. So usually it's percentage of sales. I'm gonna go with 25%. Then click on save and next, and then click on next. And then here you can see, as you can see, manual payments. So by selecting the method below, you'll need to pay affiliate outside the app. So here you have to choose how you want to pay your affiliate. So I'm gonna go with the PayPal, and then click on save and finish. And basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, you're gonna need to give them this link, and then they'll be able to create their own affiliate links, and they can start promoting your products. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.